Hello, in this video I am going to show you the visibility utility class. So pretty simple, it allows you to make stuff invisible, visible, simple as that. I will provide a link to this page which shows you, I'll say, all the features of the visibility utility class. There's not much, I'm going to literally show you everything there is, but you'll have that in case they update that anyway. So first of all, let's create a couple of divs. The first one, I'm going to say hello. Second one, I'll say, you guessed it, world. So if I reload, we get these two pieces of content wrapped inside of a div. If I want to make something invisible, you just put invisible, like so. Reload. So all we had to do was put a class of invisible, and then that particular object is now invisible. But have a look what's happened. Though it's invisible, the world div is still on a new line. It is still laid out on the website as if that other content, that other first div was still there. So it doesn't actually remove it in a sense of it's no longer in the flow of the layout. It's still there. It's just you can't see it. So if we look at what's actually gone on, if we inspect, go to the actual div, what that class essentially does, it changes the CSS visibility property to hidden. And there is also a class called visible. You'll see no difference in this example for the simple reason it's already visible. If you made it invisible from something else and maybe you want to trigger it back on, maybe a button press or some event has occurred, you can apply the visible class, maybe use some JavaScript or jQuery. So that's it. Really simple stuff, really short. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message on Discord or on my website. All of the links for that will be in the description. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.